That's a small. Yeah, that looks like a small. Hold on, don't let me see that first.
Yeah,
Stick it in
I'm
there.
gonna try to find the queen before you do. Oh, Mark, dumbass. No queen.
So if you never see the queen, how do you know you have one?
You don't,
Yeah, you do.
because the bees all stay in the hive.
Eggs. You look for the eggs.
Oh,
This is just food.
yeah.
All right.
You gotta get another box. 360 camera, huh?
Yep.
Wow.
It's yeah, it's a pretty cool little toy. I can use it to scan spaces and create like 3D models.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do that on a par 3 either today or tomorrow. But I figure
Okay. So
close.
we got small hive beetles, and the queen is on here.
Let me see the queen. Don't point it out. Let me see if I can find it real quick. All right, queen around. Damn it.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
And you got small hive beetles in here.
That's pretty typical in the hive, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have most of them, but I didn't see any in that
Yeah.
first one,
Right.
which is a good deal.
Yeah.
So we know the queen is here. We're gonna put her by herself.
Okay.
Let's hope she does not move like the last
Well,
one.
how about if we put her with some other guys that maybe be more apt to stay?
Well, normally she would.